let's go over an unboxing of the 𝗥𝗘𝗘𝗓𝗓 headrest attachment here. So this is for the Classic Aeron chair, the Herman Miller. There's also one available for the remastered one as well. Go ahead and open up the box. Okay, so we got the instructions here. Really easy installation. So with a lot of headrests, they do have complicated setups, and this is just really simple. So have a look at the main pieces here and give you my first impressions of it. So of course we have the headrest. We have the mesh material on the back, which feels really nice. Feels really similar to the Aeron chair actually. Also the plastic feels really high quality, like it does on the Aeron chair as well. And this just looks aesthetically just like the Aeron chair. So this is really gonna look like it was part of the chair. And we can see it has the hanger attachment here. And then we have another attachment here, which goes onto the chair. And what's so nice about this is we're just gonna slide it onto the chair and then use our little hex tool that's included with the screws. Let's go ahead and open that up. It's nice to give you a little hex tool with a grip on it as well. So yeah, first impressions, this is a quality headrest. Okay, and then the hanger. If your Herman Miller chair is in the office, then this could definitely come in handy. You know, I might actually like this. I'm gonna put this on and use it, and I might actually like it. But just in itself, I believe that is worth it just for this really high quality headrest that is easy to install. And we'll just look at the movement of it. So we can easily go up and down with the height of this. Okay, and then we can adjust this as well, and we can tighten the adjustments also. So you can get many different angles with this, which is really nice. How we can adjust it to your exact body type. Okay, so there we go. Let's loosen this a little bit, and now we can adjust this as we'd like. So that's nice that you can tighten this so you can be sure that it's sturdy. It's not gonna move around. That's the problem with a lot of headrests. And a lot of cheaper headrests is they just move around too much and they're not going to be that effective when they're just moving around. And it's really annoying having a headrest that doesn't just firmly stay in place. So that's the unboxing of the headrest. Overall impressions are that this is a really high quality headrest.